Hello everyone, and welcome to Little Blue Skiff. Taking the Hunky Dory out. I got it rigged up with the sails up. I'm going to walk you around and show you. So basically I got the sails reefed, or mostly down, and I'm going to launch here at Baldwin Park. Try it out. And I'm just kind of paddling around with the sails just completely reefed, just to make sure that there's nothing getting in the way of paddling. It's just another step of sailing the boat. That boat's actually moving in the breeze. Anyways, see how this goes. And I forgot my hat today too. I mean, it feels pretty comfortable. I've taken the steps to learn how to paddle it. And maneuver it, so the boat's getting pushed around pretty easily right now in the wind. I'm not doing anything, it's just spinning. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back to the dock and then put up the sails and take it across the lake, I guess. All right, so we're tied back up at the dock. I'll turn it around, you can see. And I'll unreef the sails and take this around. Maybe film sailing kind of on a beam reach, going parallel to the shore at this point. You can see the shore over there. So I'm passing the dock. I'm just kind of, the wind is blowing off the dock, so I'm kind of just going parallel to the shore. Gonna turn up into the wind a little bit. All right, I got to figure out a better way to hold the camera, but anyways, anyways, I can go parallel to the shore, which is on a beam reach, and it seems to track well. The only thing is the wind's very light, but that's really what I wanted today, just to put up the sails and try it out. So I'm on a beam reach going parallel to the shore, you can see. And I can turn around and go back and forth, which is good. Anyways, there's some sailing. Very light winds here on Lake Baldwin today. Thanks again for joining me on the first sail of Hunky Dory. There's a little bit of tweaking still left to do on the boat, and I'll explain that in another video. But overall, a successful day, and I'm very happy. I've included here at the end a time lapse of me taking out the boat and the disassembly for transport. It's a lot of little things that need to be secured and tied up, but it's not too overwhelming. Take care, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next video.